It's halfway drunk, but it was rather festive. Delicious coffee this morning. Plum toast, an orange, and K-dramas. Good morning, everyone. Just filmed a segment for yesterday's vlog, and now I am finishing up my coffee. I got ready sort of for what we're doing today. It's gonna be fun spa day, fun adventure time, getting ready for the weekend. Today's the 10th, and I do need to have things ready by the 13th for a cookie fundraiser. So we're gonna have to probably tomorrow go out and get some things for that, make some cookie dough and prepare it, and then we'll be making some cookies probably mostly tomorrow. But today I'm focusing on doing a spa day and tidying up what I couldn't get done last night. Unfortunately, the plan was to clean tomorrow and then have a full day of just rest, but that's not what happened. So I'm gonna catch up on a little bit of cleaning, go out, and we're gonna do a peppermint milkshake challenge, I think, because both Wendy's and Chick-fil-A have released their peppermint milkshakes, and I want to see which one's better. Just for funsies, going out, and because I've not really ate out at all in the last couple of weeks. I've been really good about eating in and packing my lunches, so I'm gonna reward myself with that. Maybe get some French fries. Grim, she's so obsessed with this TV show where it's just like things that she wants to kill. It's her favorite. But yes, so I'm gonna go and tidy up a little bit. I don't think you guys are ready for how cute these socks are. Look. Little gingerbread people in a hot chocolate with a candy cane. It's so cute. Okay, I changed up the fit a little bit because it's actually really cold out. So I'm wearing this fuzzy teddy hoodie and my beanie. You can't see. That is like non-name brand. Nothing is this name. Nothing I'm wearing is name brand. It's just whatever. And that's what I'm gonna go and get luncheon and then go and get a massage. Just ordered at Chick-fil-A. We're about to get it. Hell yeah. So we got the shake, got my food, but they forgot Chick-fil-A sauce, so sad day. About to get our Wendy's on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we got a Wendy's peppermint. We got a Chick-fil-A's peppermint. Let's try. Okay, Chick-fil-A is always delicious. Little bits of chocolate in it. This is the one that I need to see how it compares. It's thicker, but honestly, it's about the same flavor except for minus those little chocolate bits. Let's look at the color. Yeah, almost identical color too. It's got that same pink. I like it. Honestly, you can't go wrong either way. I would just say if you like the Chick-fil-A's smoother texture, go for Chick-fil-A's. If you like the chocolate chips, go for Chick-fil-A's. But if you don't really care, Wendy's usually has a shorter line anyway. So battle, I would say that it's an equal tie. Can't go wrong either way. I'm gonna go and wash my car now. The last little bits, but she is clean and ready to go. Very happy. I feel like I got my money's worth for sure on that. All right, I think it's time we go to get our food for both my cat and myself for dinner. We're gonna get some chicken. What the hell? Stop it. To make chicken noodle soup, and then hopefully we can officially start the actual spa day. You know, the thing I had been planning all week. That'd be great. So upon further examination of these two, my personal opinion, this actually continues to taste like a milkshake, whereas this starts to taste kind of artificial after a while. So I honestly think that I'm going to retract my original statement of a tie and say this is the winner, because this continues to be delicious, whereas that one, no shade, just is not, it's not the move. Okay, I think mission accomplished, honestly. I think it's time to go home, put this stuff away, and then get a massage. Welcome to my Christmas nail spa. I did not invite you here. This is me time, Grim. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? It's not about Grim. It's me time. I did a really good job of making it Christmassy. Look, I got that. I made that all, you know, prepared. My twisted peppermint lotion ready to go. It's gonna be a vibe. So I'm really glad I got an extra thing at Chik-fil-a because I am starving and I don't have time to make soup. My nails are done. They look great. And I'm watching Dash and Lily, which I watch every year in December. It's so corny and I love it. I also watch Christmas Flow, Let It Snow, and what's that other really bad one? Oh, Home for Christmas. Recommend all of them. They're short series, but not great, but like Christmassy, hey? Candy cane bubble bar and this peppermint scented bath bomb that's supposed to make it look blue and delicious and just make you feel good. I think it'll also feel really good on my back, so that's what we're gonna go do. So I forgot that that particular bubble bar actually turns the water pink. So I want to get the full effect of this bath bomb. So I might hold off until another bath to do that. Let me think. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it looks more pink in person. Here's the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off. I was about to remove my makeup and I just wanted to, don't see it as well on camera, show how nice my skin has been reacting to the ice and heat therapy that I've been doing. The going out in the cold, using ice, and then also taking steams with the bath. I am seeing huge improvements. So yes, take a bubble bath time. Yes. That was amazing. I felt like at first I was a little in my head like, oh, the bath is too hot and I wanted to have a different scent in the room, but then I got into the mindset of, no, this is supposed to be a spa. So I turned on the Lush Spa playlist they have on YouTube, and that playlist took me into another universe. Like, I don't know where I was, I don't know how long I was there, but I was having a good old time out of my body. Here's ice in here, which is good. but taking my ginger tonic and putting it in some ice water to drink while I do an ice roller on a mask. Let me tell you, after that whole routine, my skin is ready to receive anything I wanted to put on it. I put on a rose serum and a retinol serum, and my skin, I've never felt it that smooth and that thirsty, basically, for it to just take everything in and for it to be moisturized and soft and just... The hot and cold thing, it's working, because right when I got out of the bath, I washed my face, of course, because I was sweating, and I used cold water at the end to make sure that all of my pores closed off, and I think I look great. This ice doesn't want to come out. Okay. I think I'm going to put in a little bit of sparkling water. We got some sparkling water. Top it all off. Oh, yeah. It's like being at the spa. I forgot to sign out last night. Sorry, guys. I got into bed and I remembered, but I was so cozy and the lights were off. So that's the end of this vlog. See you tomorrow, which is today.